So in this video, we'll see how to use the Zotero referencing software. But first, if you haven't installed this software yet, please follow the video link from the description in order to correctly install the Zotero referencing software. So after installation, once you open the Zotero software, you will see an interface like this. And we'll be dividing the whole video into three parts. First, we'll get familiar with the main settings of the Zotero interface. Then we'll see how we can import the research papers and articles into the Zotero software. And then finally, we'll move on to the Microsoft Word file so that we can see how we can insert citations and bibliographies. And also we'll see how we can change the styles of the citations as well. So at the left side, you will see My Libraries, and above you will see a folder icon with the plus sign. From here you can create a collection, and in the collection you can store your articles and research papers which you are using in a project for referencing. You can store your own publications here. The duplicate items, you can identify duplicate um, papers. Here you will see unfiled items, and this is the trash bin. At the lower side, you will see tags, tags that are found in the research papers. You can also search for tags here, filter out tags, and at the right side, you will see a panel. And in this panel, when you select a paper, you will see the title of that paper, author names, volume number, issue number, page number, etc. And when we come to the above middle section, we'll see another plus sign. From here you can add different types of documents, but it will be a manual. You can see journal articles, newspaper article, book section, books, and many more options here. And this is a magical setting, I say. By using this setting, you can use the identifiers like the ISBNs, NS numbers, DOIs, pmids, etc. And by using those identifiers from a paper, you can easily import the article or paper into the Zotero. You will also see add attachment and new notes. By this note, you can take notes while you are working. Another important setting is the edit. From the edit, if you go to the settings, you will find different site manager, and you can select your preferred citation style. And if you want to get additional styles, you can get it from here. And if you are looking for a custom citation style, you can add it your custom citation by using a file, and you can import that custom citation file from here. You'll also see another important function in this window. You can see Microsoft Word, reinstall Microsoft Word add-in. If your Word is not properly or connected to the Zotero software, you can connect the Word from here successfully. So now we will see how to import research articles or papers into the Zotero. So we need to first create a collection first. We'll name it first work and press enter. So in this collection, we can import papers in three different ways: the manual way, by using the identifiers, and by using the web connector. So the first one is the manual way, which is a little bit cumbersome one. You have to type the author names, titles, and many more things of the paper. You can see different options here, and we'll select one example, which is journal article. You can see it is prompting us the journal title, article title, author last name, first name, publication, publisher, place, date, many more things. You have to type all the things to get the paper manually, so which is not practical, and we'll not be using this option. So now we'll move on to the second one by using the identifiers. You can see it's prompting us for any of the identifier like the ISBNs, DOIs, pmids, any of them will do. So we'll see an example, and we will use this DOI of this paper to import this paper into Zotero by using the identifier. So we'll paste it here and press enter. So we can see that Zotero has successfully imported this paper into its interface, and you can see the title, author names, publication date, volume, issues, and many more things. Finally, we'll use the web connector to import another paper into our Zotero. So we'll now use the example for this paper, and we'll select the Zotero connector from here. You can see a little file like option. We'll press this one, and this will connect this paper into the Zotero and automatically import it also. So if we go to the Zotero interface now, we should see that paper. You can see the in silico based analysis paper is successfully imported into the Zotero as well. So these are the three ways you can import your research papers, articles, book section, anything into the Zotero interface. So in the Word file, you should see Zotero tab. If you don't see this tab, you have to go to the Zotero interface, go to the edit and settings, from there site, and go down, and from here click this reinstall Microsoft Word add-in, and if you press this button, Zotero will be automatically connected to your Word. So once it is connected, we have to insert citations. So go to the Zotero, you will see add/edit citation. We'll click this one, and we can see it has given us a window with two papers which we have inserted earlier. We'll select this second one and press this plus sign. If you want to add more citations or references, we can just select or press plus signs altogether. For now, we'll do this one. We'll press plus sign and click this arrow. We can see that this citation has been inserted, and now we want to add the bibliography for this citation. Go to the Zotero again and select this add edit bibliography, and you can see that the bibliography is also inserted. And if you want to change the citation style, you can do it from the Word. Go to the document preferences, and you will see different citation styles here. And if you cannot find the citation style you are looking for, it's okay. You have to go to the Zotero interface again and go to the edit settings. From the site, you will go to the get additional styles, and this will load 10,835 reference styles which you will all need. And from here you can select your uh, citation style which you have been looking for. Let's say we will keep one from here. Let's say environmental systems research. We'll click on it, and it will be inserted into the style manager. You can see environmental systems research is here now. And if we go back to the Word and go to the Zotero and document references, we'll see that citation style. You can see environmental systems research. So this is how you can um, insert citations, bibliographies, and also change your citation styles as well. So thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel and give a like to it. This definitely supports the channel. Thank you.